Enrollment for my month-long online art class is now open till December 22nd, 2019. Link is in the description.
And so like maybe it's like
wait, we gotta re-intro this. So there's two bagel shops here.
Okay, so I'm on Brick Lane with 1000.
That's right.
And I'm gonna tell him, I'm gonna show him later on the bagel shops. And everyone from London knows there's two bagel shops in Brick Lane that are worth trying. And there's a constant debate over which one's the better bagel shop. So we're gonna get him to try both, and he's gonna tell you which one he prefers.
Ooh, we're gonna do a real life Pepsi challenge.
What do you reckon, salt beef or smoked salmon cream cheese?
Ooh, dang. I mean, smoked salmon cream cheese is like kind of a Seattle thing too. Like,
all right,
we're all about those flavor combinations.
Then we'll go for smoked salmon cream cheese.
All right, cool. And I'm gonna let you all know, from my personal opinion, what's the real deal bagel shop in Brick Lane?
Brick Lane.
In Brick Lane.
And our wall's down here, so we're gonna go
we're gonna go down here and check out our wall.
Unfortunately, this never ended up happening. So I guess now I have a reason to go back to London. Am I right? Motherfucking bagels. Let's go.
So somewhere on here.
Oh, there's the wall. It's a cool wall.
Yeah, it's nice size.
So I think that's the wall. Another wall. Damn, bro, we got some good ones here.
Yeah, plenty more if you want them.
I just need to, next time, just come for a month in London.
You're welcome anytime. We got this one, skate park dome in Vicky Park if we want it.
Jesus.
And then if we have time, there's more.
Yeah. So we have made it. It is the second to last mural on my entire European tour, and we are in Brick Lane on Hanbury Street. Got this kind of cool wall going here. We're gonna paint over it, do some bubbles.
Yeah, right.
Just painting bubbles. I seem to have lost my GoPro. It was either lost, or it's somewhere in the house, or it was stolen, which I think is the least likely option. So I guess we'll buff the wall and just get started. And let's get some espresso. Getting around this little sign here might be a bit tricky. That's our wall. That's our wall. Don't wear it out.
So you're actually allowed to do this?
Yeah. Yeah?
So do you have walls that you own? You can just do it any way you want. You can just paint over somebody else's and they won't come in.
There's different people that manage different walls.
Oh, okay, so you get permission from them.
So yeah, Peter was coming to stay and the plan was to do a lot of walls, so I reached out to a few of these people. This is one of the walls they said we could have. So she manages the wall and rotates the artists that paint it. So these will stay for a few months until she gives it to a new artist, or until someone comes and ruins it, which can happen the next day, a week later, a month later, someone just tagging it. But yeah, we wouldn't come and just paint over something.
No, I thought there might be wars
without
over
any,
people, you know, shooting each other.
Some of that stuff happened.
So how long will it take you to paint your first bit of art?
We're doing this.
You've got a day, right?
Yeah.
1 day?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we will walk back later on and see what you've achieved.
Yeah, enjoy.
Hopefully we live up to your expectations.
Oh, I'm sure you're going to beat my expectations.
As long as it's got a bike on, it'll be alright.
Alright. Maybe we need to rethink our concept. Alright, so the wall is buffed white. Now we're gonna make a sketch. We don't really have a super strong plan. We made like the most simple sketch ever. James is just gonna do some like bubble dudes, and then I'm just gonna freestyle on his bubbles and make characters out of his little bubbles. This is like mural number 14, and I feel like I'm out of ideas. And the concepts are getting like more and more loose, less and less planned, but the murals I think are still turning out really good. And it's like, when I'm at home, I plan so much and do things so carefully, but here it's like just loose and free, and like a lot of the fear and anxiety of making a mural has gone away on this trip, because it's just like, go, 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 make a new mural. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do next. What am I eating today?
You are eating avocado on toast with a poached egg with some dukkha seeds, because we're in East London.
Dukkha. Sweet. So Choots wants to use a string for to make his circles. He doesn't have any, so he's removing his shoelace right now because he's the MacGyver of street art. And when a man don't have a string, he makes do. Luckily he doesn't wear Velcro shoes. Bro.
Try it yourself. A shoe semicircle. Neil Buchanan joke there.
You ever heard of it?
for the rinse.
All right, so Choots didn't know that when you get the Belton Molotov Premium, he thought you just did that, which removes the cap and the ring. And I thought this was just common knowledge, but since it's not, I'm gonna teach you folks that you're supposed to hit it down and then take the cap off, and it keeps the colored ring on there so that you know what color you have instead of having to read the label. Probably everyone knows that, but if you don't, now you do.
Painting in Brick Lane was super awesome. This was a really cool part of London. I really liked this part of town. It was a nice little wall that James lined up for us. There was tons of Londoners and international visitors coming by all day. Yeah, this spot was just cool. I was a little bit nervous about how basically we didn't have concept art going into this. And, you know, I had done so many murals at this point. I was just like, James, dude, just draw some circles and we'll just vibe it out. We'll just freestyle it. We'll make it look cool. And yeah, honestly, like keeping it loose like this left a lot of room to just like vibe it out and sketch it out and just like make it whatever we wanted it to be. And I think in the end, that was a good thing.
We got Humpty Dumpty in a catsuit,
Making the art this way with the circles makes my characters even more round and bubbly, which I think is super cute. Yeah, but then halfway through the day, one of my patrons, Blue Tatula, showed up and she helped us out on the mural. Being able to link up and meet some of my European patrons who support me on Patreon was one of the coolest parts of being able to do this European tour. Having some like face-to-face time with people who really support me was like super dope, and I got to paint with them and they helped me out a lot, and yeah, that was so rad. Thank you so much to my patrons. Like, your support really means the world to me.
The world's most famous and helpful patron is here again, filling in that black. Looking good. This is her second time ever spray painting. Filling in the background like a champion. Thank you.
On this mural, we were using Belton Molotov Premium spray paint, which at the time of recording this, I think is my favorite spray paint. I really like how vibrant the colors are. I know the colors pretty well at this point, and like working with spray paint where you know the colors by heart is actually kind of like an important thing. So get out there, try out some spray paints, see which ones you like, and start learning those colors, because knowing your colors is an important part of spray painting, I think. There's something about painting characters. I just love making characters. There's so many types of art in the world. There's angry art and sad art and political art and art for every human emotion. And for me as an artist, one of my main goals is to just bring a little bit of joy and wonder, childlike imagination to your daily commute through the city. And hopefully when you round that corner and you see this burst of color, it brings a little smile to your face. And if that happens, I've done my job.
Add more dribblies and dribblies.
Thanks so much to Choots for lining up this wall and being an awesome collaborator. You're dope, homie. I can't wait till we link up again and make more awesome art. I think our styles go really well together. And yeah, you're a good friend of mine now. So hope to see you soon, bro.
Hey, dude.
Yo.
I think we're done.
I think I'm sweaty.
You think we're done?
That was a fun one. I like that one. That was a good one.
Should we show the people what they want to see?
Go on then.
We did it! I don't seem to have my mic with me, so I hope you guys can hear me on this one, but this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching so much. This is a crazy awesome one. It's bold, it's graphic, the people seem to like it. It's a busy street corner. London has been awesome. We got one more to go. Me and this dude, Choots. That's it for us. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, all that awesome stuff. Maybe drop a comment if you feel like it. Check out my merch at 1000art.com. I got t-shirts. I got all kinds of stuff. There goes Choots. Check out my Patreon if you want to support me on a monthly basis. For as little as $2 a month, you can get exclusive access to behind the scenes stuff that you can't get anywhere else. But that's it for me. Ooh, it's been a hot one today, and we worked real hard, but I'm feeling super good about the results. Follow James. What's your Instagram, James?
James Tutor.
James, JamesChuter. Link in the description if I remember. Yeah. And that's it for us. James, get back in here for the final shot. Just because I was talking about my website, my Patreon and everything.
It's the merch bit. It goes on forever.
It does. But I edit it so it's fast, so hopefully you guys don't mind. But we out. We'll see you on the next one.
One more to go.
1000 European tour is almost over. It's been crazy. We're out.
We're going somewhere fancy for your last proper night.
Bit fancy.
You've not had an Indian yet.
Yeah.
And Indian is the English national dish.
Right.
We were going to go to a cheap and cheerful one, which we would normally do, but since you're our guest and you've not had an Indian in England, we thought we'd try something a bit special.
Yeah. You guys haven't met Dion yet either. This is the back of her. She's just gonna keep walking away, but that's his lady. She's a lady.
No idea how I did that.
Whoa, whoa, she's a lady. Hey.
Yeah, we can always order more.
Yeah, of course we can, yeah. And I think that's quite a lot. I think just the biryani as well.
We are at a swanky Indian restaurant, having the time of our lives. We painted 4 murals together, plus 1 extra for me. This is my dude. Homies for life.
You're welcome anytime.
Just keeps coming. It just keeps coming. Yeah. That's the food dance right there.
Hey, real quick before I go, I spent 9 months creating a comprehensive online art class with Monthly, where I walk you through my entire process. We take you from designing a character to making a totally finished painting, and yeah, enrollment is open now till December 22nd. It's only open a few times a year. Maybe this class will end up on your holiday wish list, or maybe you want to give the gift of art this holiday season. Either way, you can enroll now at learnmonthly.com/10hun. There's a link down in the description. Check it out, see what you think, and yeah, that's it. See you in class. Thanks for watching.